Hey everybody, DI Rhino here with another quick holiday hack. Today we are going to be making a siphon watering system for your live Christmas trees. And today I have, it's a super quick and cheap, easy way to do it. I just found an old container that we have down here in the basement. Got this all set up in my shop. I got a siphon pump, a little Pennzoil siphon pump over at Ace Hardware for about I think this is about $8 or so. And so what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in this and get everything set up and see how this works out. So now we have all of that set up in there. And what we are going to do is with this in here, I'm going to take a rag and dry this out. As I had tested it to make sure that it was going to hold water. It's always a good thing to do. Now we're going to put a bead of glue down there and glue this tube down to the bottom of the container. Just like that. Let that dry up and cool off for a second. All right, we've got the whole thing set up here, ready to go. I put a little bit of water in there just to make sure that it is running, and sure enough, it is running water. You want to make sure you have a full line about where the height is of your tree stand base, and actually mark it a little bit lower so you don't accidentally overfill it and have a little flood. So let's move this over to the tree, get it filled up a little bit more and get it running and see what it looks like. Okay, so we're down here, we've got the box next to the tree. Why don't we come on under here and take a look. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this. I actually have a couple of blocks here that are helping to stabilize my tree, so I might just try zipping that down in between them. You wanna make sure that this tube can go all the way down to the bottom of your tree stand base there. There we go. And make sure that that's running. And then what I will do, just to make sure it's running, is get that going like that. And make sure all the bubbles are worked out of it. Looks like they are. And now I'm just going to set this back down. And we should now have an even siphon that will keep your tree watered for the entire season.